It's dessert time in the kitchen today, and we're making Chapsaltteok. Chapsaltteok is soft rice cake, and we're going to use that to cover two types of fillings. The first is going to be a strawberry filling, and the second will be a red bean filling. Part is red bean, and it's such a versatile Korean ingredient that's so common over here. We're going to make a sweet red bean filling and then surround it with our delicious Chapsaltteok.
Here's the ingredients. Now remember, if you're interested in Korean cooking or Korean culture, hit that subscribe button. Every week I post a new Korean dish, as well as some lifestyle things from living here in Korea. Have a great day, enjoy the recipe, and let me know how it went. Thanks. You can remove the skin of the beans by running it through a sieve. That's how you make 팥죽, the porridge. However, I don't mind the taste of the bean sort of skin, so I leave it in. I'm also a little lazy in this instance. It's much easier just to crush it up. But do what you see as fit, and it is a little bit more delicious if it has that consistency similar to the porridge. Making Chapsaltteok is a little bit harder than it looks, but to make it easy, add the water a little bit at a time, and then just adjust as you see fit. When you're mixing it, if you feel like it is a little bit dry, add a little bit more water. And alternatively, if it is a little bit wet, then just add a little bit more of the flour in until you get a nice paste-like consistency. For a minute or two and it'll be ready to go. Put it in the microwave for 3 minutes. This is actually going to cook it, make it a little bit hard. However, it should still be able to be turned. It should still be able to be stirred as well. Stir that up and it'll return to a softer consistency. After which you're going to put it back in the microwave to finish cooking it. When we're rolling it out, we need to use some cornstarch or potato starch. It is very sticky. I've used probably a little bit too much, but it's okay. The cornstarch won't flavor the dock. But if you don't use it, everything just sticks. I've made this a few times now and it was super sticky and almost impossible to work with. So cornstarch is a must. Put it on your hands, the rolling pin and the bench. Then we just roll it out, put our pot in the middle. My one's quite stretchy, which is good. Our strawberry goes in the middle, and then we wrap it around the strawberry. Like I said, my one turned out a little drier than normal. It's usually a little bit stickier than this, so it was a little harder for me to stick the ends together. When you make it and it's a little stickier, it's very easy just to put the ends together and squeeze them, but it still worked out well in the end.